my name is Jugnu. I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from NIT Durgapur, West Bengal. I am a final year student and I am a FFE scholar. FFE conducts AMCAT exam for its scholars every year. I took the AMCAT exam and based on the score, FFE conducted a training session basically to improve my English communication skill. For that training, I used Nguru app. The app worked on my communication skill. The app worked on my grammar, sentence articulation, sentence making capacity, vocabularies and all. They basically improved my communication skills and helped me in gaining confidence while speaking English. At the time of my interview, I was able to answering the interviewer's question and I was able to express my point of view on any topic very confidently. Finally, I got an internship offer from the company Wells Fargo. I worked there for 2 months in the month of May and June, and in the month of July, I got the placement offer from the same company with CTC 20 lakh. So finally, I would like to say thanks to FFE and Nguru app who helped me in my placement time. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Pasupuleti Srinamadevi and I am from SRK Engineering College, Andhra Pradesh. I have been receiving FFE scholarship since 2018. By awarding the scholarship, FFE Foundations had resolved my financial distress which helped me more to concentrate on my studies. Besides giving scholarship based on the academic performances, FFE Foundations used to drag out the capability within the students by conducting AMCAT exam once in a year and thereby dividing the students into different programs based on this course, and one of the most efficient one was Nguru. It is an English program. Topics that were covered in the English program are like a goldmine for upcoming engineers, and the topics include grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, sentence making and many more. The very basic topics like grammar and vocabulary helped me to clear my screening test, and the pronunciation and sentence making helped me to make good sentences to make a splash of the interviewer. The pattern and quality of the questions laid a base for me to perform well in my screening tests and written tests. And I wrote AMCAT exam 3 times and I felt very confident while attempting aptitude and verbal questions. Based on the AMCAT score, I have been certified as employable for software development trainee, which helped me to add more value to my resume during placements. Currently, I was in my 4th year and have been placed as a software engineer at Ecola Digital Company with an annual package of 8 lakh per annum. Thank you FFE for...
My name is Ramajayam. I am from Dharmaburi district, Tamil Nadu. I am a final year student studying Electronics and Communication Engineering in College of Engineering, India, Anna University. In the first year of college, I took AMCAT exam first time. Based on the scores we get, FFE helps us to improve those particular skills by conducting training programs. Likewise, I got selected for English training program. I took the program from Allo English app. The app was very easy to use. I completed the daily tasks given in that Hello English app. It helped me to develop my grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, sentence articulation and sentence making. In vocabulary section, I learned many words and their synonyms and antonyms. In sentence articulation, we have to form a correct sentence from the words given. Thus helped me to form sentences quickly while speaking. In pronunciation section, they gave us sample conversation and we should speak the words with correct pronunciation. That helped me a lot to speak English without errors. The Hello English program was very helpful to develop my English. After the completion of the program, I get the confidence of speaking in English without errors, and I noticed that I was totally improved from where I was before. In the second year AMCAT exam, my English score has been improved a lot thanks to English program. My placements will start from September 2021. I am now enthusiastically working on my projects and participating in coding challenges. I feel very prepared to face my upcoming placement interviews. Thanks to FFE for conducting many training programs for us. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Suraj. I am from Pali district of Rajasthan. Currently I am in 4th year pursuing BTech from NIT Surathkal in Information Technology. So in my first year I gave AMCAT exam, which basically consists of English language, reasoning, qualitative and quantitative analysis. So based on my weaknesses, FFE provided us with some programs. So for me it was Hello English program. So this program was structured in a very nice way so that a student can grab it very easily. And so it was it consists of all the sections which typical English language has. So basically from grammar, vocabulary, communication, sentence articulation. So all these things were there. And like so these all things were happening on daily basis. On daily basis we were learning something new. As at the same time we were also getting practice for these things. And at the same time, after giving exams, after giving practice test, so wherever we go wrong, so from that we used to learn new things, like learning by mistakes. So these are all things we have done for few months. And after going through this training, this Hello English program, I was really very confident. I have learned a lot of things during this program. So it really helped me a lot during my career, during my internships also. So in my third year, I did my internship. And they really liked my work, and they offered me pre-placement offer at that company. So really, like, I'm very very thankful to FFE for making such arrangements for MCAT and this Hello English, as well as some other programs for overall development.